In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve billable hours in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to approve time. We'll walk through reviewing time entries, marking them as billable, approving them, and then confirming those approvals with a quick report and optional export. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Approvals. This is your hub for reviewing pending time. At the top, you'll see a date range. Use the range that's shown to focus on the specific period you want to approve. Keeping this aligned with your billing cycle, such as the current week or month, helps prevent missing entries or approving the wrong window. Now, review each time entry in the list. If your review includes it, look for the billable column. This column indicates whether the hours will be treated as billable for invoicing downstream. If you don't see billable, it may be hidden in your view. That's okay. Continue your review and confirm your billable status where it's available. As you scan entries, check for correct customers or jobs, dates, and durations. Small discrepancies are easier to fix before approval than after they're included in reports or invoices. Next, select the time entries you want to approve. You can choose them individually or select multiple at once if everything looks good for the period. When you're confident with your selections, click Approve. This action finalizes those hours as approved for the chosen date range, including any that are marked billable. After approving, it's a good practice to verify your work with a report. Head to Reports. Under the Tracking section, choose either Hours by Customer or Hours by Team Member, depending on how you need to review billable time. Set the report dates to match the same period you just approved so your view is consistent. Review the totals and confirm that the billable hours appear as expected. If you need to share the results with accounting, project managers, or attach them to supporting documentation, click Download CSV to export the data. A CSV file opens easily in spreadsheet tools for sorting, filtering, and archiving. That's the process from start to finish. Log in, open Approvals, review the date range and entries, confirm billable status where available, approve, and then validate everything through reports with an optional CSV download. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.